Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So today I thought I would vlog my weekend because you guys seem to love my vlogs and I find vlogs really fun to watch, more so than like makeup tutorials and stuff. So today me and my friend Shani, we're going to a 90s party in Tauranga tonight. I'm so excited. The first 90s no scrubs party was at a smaller venue like a few months ago, and it was one of the best nights I've had out in such a long time because it was all 90s music. Everyone was dressed up like the 90s and it was like throwback after throwback after throwback, and I couldn't handle myself. And it was so fun because I went out with like my sister and a lot of my friends, like 4 of my friends. So yeah, it was really fun. So yeah, today I'm going with Shani and I don't know what to wear. So currently I'm getting ready. I've just had a shower. I've put my dark fake tan on, so that's why my face looks really white and my body looks really brown, but I just like being this tan. So yeah, I can't wait to get ready. I'm deciding what to wear. You guys need to help me, help me. Okay, don't mind all the clothes on the bed. Oh, I don't like how the bra sticks out underneath this. This is the colorful outfit. It's got like seatbelt straps on and it's got like a seat belt here. Oh my god, don't mind my see-through undies. I wouldn't wear that. This is so like 90s, isn't it? Like rave, I don't know. I think this will be annoying for me. The top's really small. If the top was like longer, like down here, I would have probably enjoyed it a little bit more. Okay guys, I'm really obsessed with this. This isn't so much 90s. I mean, I guess you could call it 90s, like with this like little thing down here. I don't know what to call that. I really love this one. Oh my gosh, it matches my nails. I absolutely love pink at the moment. Oh, I feel really good in this one. Okay, I think this one will be less annoying than the other one. It's not so much 90s, but I love the way pink looks, and I reckon this will look so cute with some pink pigtails. What do you guys reckon? It really shapes my body really nicely as well, this dress. Thank you so much, Shani. She was the one who gave me this. I can't believe she didn't want it because I'm like, hello. Very nice. Okay, guys, I am back looking 100% better than I did before because this morning I looked disturbing, but I just did my typical like style with this clip. I always do this style, and I really like curled it out like this, like more so than what I do. Oh my gosh, I so reckon I'll wear like this kind of hairstyle for my wedding and this makeup. I don't know, I was kind of like experimenting with makeup. It took me like 2 hours to get ready, but I was literally listening to relaxing music on Spotify, and the cats were like half falling asleep and it was pretty funny, and I was like so relaxed. So like I didn't rush. I feel like really relaxed and looking forward to tonight. So makeup products, I used the Madison Beer Morphe Channel Surfing Artistry palette on my eyes, and also the Anastasia Soft Glam palette on my eyes. Brows, nothing in them because thanks to the Lash and Brow Room in Mount Maunganui, she slayed them. I just have some Ico London brow gel throughout them. Blush is Charlotte Tilbury High Blush in Glowgasm, and also the Charlotte Tilbury Liquid Highlighter, and also the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. And then I'm using the Rimmel London Lasting Finish lip liner in nude, and also the Tarte H2O gloss on top, and I absolutely love it. Foundation is Maybelline 24 Hour Stay in Warm Sun. I absolutely love it. And powder is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish Powder in Fair. And I've just got individual lashes like on the outer corner, and a lot of bloody blush because that's like 90s. Oh my god, I need to fix up this hand. That is ridiculous, but I'm feeling nice and tan. So it's not like crazy 90s, but I just feel a little bit like the 90s, like Barbie or something. I don't know. So yeah, I really like this. I just feel so glam. I'm meant to be at Shani's already. I said 3 o'clock and it is 3 o'clock now and I haven't even left yet. She lives in Mount Maunganui. She got a new flat, so I'm so excited to go to a new flat, and it's so I feel like my makeup went on so much better. I like literally did it so slow because I got Botox yesterday, but I feel like my lines aren't as intense, which is amazing. Oh, it feels just so glowy. Like, is this too much glow? I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna head to Shani's now and I'll show you the antics, what we get up to later. I think first, but surely finish last. Here's Shani, and she's making us
nachos.
Yeah.
But that is not your problem. I don't want to talk about it.
Yay. So we're going to have nachos before we start drinking. I don't just have this, we have champagne in the fridge, and yeah, we only have a few hours before we have to go. Hey, Shane, the housemaid. Yum, look at this. So this is like a vegetarian version. And wait, what's in here? Kidney beans.
And jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
And
Tomato?
Yep, and
Cheese.
lots of herbs and spices.
Oh, yummy.
Very nice.
Looks good. I'm going to add some sauce too. Yellow, we on the, what is this? Champagne, Albert. It feels brut. Okay, where's my wine glass now? Go, just go. Go, just flick it. And I put it. Oh, is it? But then the cork's going to go on the floor. Ready? My second pop. I'm scared.
Got it.
Why is it not coming? Okay, is it meant to come out?
That's what he said also.
Oh my god, I need some support.
You've got this. You just loosen it.
Like this?
Yeah.
What if it pops out of my hand and destroys me?
I can't believe I got that.
I look so ridiculous. Shady, shady. Yay, her cute little flat. Woo, we're just drinking. 7.1 standards. So this is dangerous, guys. You literally drink this so fast and you're done. Oh my god, you're so good. I can't get over it.
Why'd you leave me? Take my body. Take my body. All I want is, all I need is find somebody. Find somebody.
So good. Okay, current situation. A bottle of champagne is finished. Fucking hell. Okay, the gig just started, so we are gonna leave in like half an hour. We don't want to go there like straight away. I'm just gonna finish off my wine. I've got this much left, and I'm gonna have a KGV. Yes, I'm all ready to party. Let me put this on. H2O gloss. Blech. Oh shit, okay. Oh. How beautiful is that gloss? Like, how can you not go wrong?
So this is a personal message for you, Alyshia. I just wanted to say that you are a absolutely beautiful human and I love you so much. You have been an incredible part of my life and I just wanted to let you know that because I want to appreciate and love. Yes, I appreciate our grooviness. We can be so weird together. And I love you.
I know, I can't believe I've been so emotional on champagne. Yeah, I find it so funny how we get like so emotional and deep talking when I'm on champagne. Like I'm so different when I'm on Smirnoff. Like I'm like so crazy and hypo, but when I'm on champagne, I'm like deep conversations and freaking emotional. It was nice to have emotional chats with you, Shani.
Yours?
Okay, we're getting Polaroids. Oh, that one's so cute. We're very
still
serious,
developing.
but we're taking in stacks.
It's still developing.
It's developing. Okay, this one looks all right. Oh, I reckon it's very overexposed, but it's so cute.
So cute though.
It's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, we are on KGB now.
Good job.
I'm gonna keep this beauty of a thing because Shani is beautiful. I love you.
Red or black?
Red. Ah, drink. Drink.
Red or black?
Black. Ah. Drink.
Red or black?
Black. What? Ah! Shani's gonna press. Red. Okay, she just slammed her cards on the table. How the fuck did you break one? How did you do that?
Get in touch with me by postcode. I'm with the social. I'm off the edge, at least I'm close to the bit. Is always feeling at my darkest back home with the heart.
Where do we get drinks though?
I just got my drink.
What we will do is we will get the audience to choose the winner by round of applause. Great example. Can I have an example one more time, please? Now that's what I want to hear. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much. So, shall we get this party started on the dance floor at least? Because you've been dancing right there all this night so far. Thank you. Next contestant. Well, I'm glad I dressed up like this because the women are ruling tonight. We have our winner. Thank you very much.
Hi Shay, we're walking to the pretty lights. Oh look, they're changing colours. Oh, this is the pretty part. Shay. Shay. Oh, there we go. I can see. Okay, we're going up the mount with some drinks. For 3 in the morning. That's cool. Look how pretty those lights are though.
From Samaru to like the highway.
I can't see you guys swimming in the dark at 3 in the morning. You guys are crazy. Morning after, Shani made me breakfast. Yay. Cheers to the eggs. We're watching Peter Rabbit. And we're currently snuggled up on beanbags in the lounge. This actually looks delicious. I'm starving. Okay guys, I look bloody tragic. Oh, I just put on some lip balm and blush to look alive. Shani's driving us to find her bloody key. We've lost her house key. So last night, she climbed in through the window and I got in a ball and she like climbed on my back and got in through the window. So yeah, we need to find her key because they went swimming last night and we have a feeling it might be down by the beach. So yay. Anyway, we just had a morning. Shani made me eggs.
Got home at 5 a.m. guys.
Yeah. I couldn't get my contact lenses out and my eyes are so, this is why they look really red and irritated this morning.
At least we're looking tragic together.
Yeah, we're looking tragic together. So yeah, we're just looking for the key, and then we watched Peter Rabbit and had some nice breakfast, and now I'm gonna go home after this and sleep.
Sleep. So excited.
Somewhere down there, hopefully on the sand. Oh dear. There's the mail. Didn't find the key. Shay was hopeful, but we didn't find it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and let me know down below if you want to see more vlogs because I find them fun to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.